Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do is, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on color ID, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to floating widget, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean here floating widget enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.